Hello, students. Good afternoon. This is mathematics, and today is December 3, Friday. It's a weekend. Okay, my name is Teacher V, and hope you will understand our lesson for this afternoon. Okay, so now let's start. This is Mathematics Part 2. Our lesson is about comparing numbers 11 to 20. Okay, symbols used in comparing. Symbols used in comparing. Let's say we have 13 pencils and 13 marbles. The number of pencils is equal to the number of marbles. So that means 13, 13. That they are equal. 13 pencils and 13 marbles. Is read 13 is equal to 13. The symbol equal stands for is equal to or equals. Okay, this is equal or is equal to or equals. Okay, let's have another example. 11 pencils and 14 marbles. Let's see if they are equal. The number of pencils is not equal, meaning no, not equal to the number of marbles. Okay? Not equals because there are 11 pencils and 14 marbles. So is read 11 is not equal to 14. Okay? This symbol stands for is not equal or is equal to. Okay, so let's have 12 pencils. The number of pencils is smaller than number of marbles. Look at this symbol. Is read 12 is smaller than 15. Okay? 12 is smaller than 15. Okay, look at this symbol. The symbol, this one, stands for is smaller than. Again, that symbol is called smaller than. Next, 15 marbles. The number of marbles is greater than the number of pencils. So 15 is greater than 12. Now, what is this symbol? Is read 15 is greater than 12. That symbol stands for is greater than. Okay? Again, that symbol is called is greater than. This symbol is called is smaller than. Okay, so this we will do this activity. Compare the number of objects in the picture using the words and the symbol. Let's say, for example, these two numbers are not equal. Why? Because 14 is not equal to 16. This there are 14 here and there are 16 here. That means it's not equal to 16. Or you can say 14 is not equal to 16. Or 14 is smaller than 16. Or you say 14 is smaller than 16. So please look at this symbol here. Symbol. 16 is greater than 14. Or you can call it 16 with the symbol greater than and 14. So please look at this symbol. Okay, let's say number 1. You have to count how many marbles inside here, if they are equal or not. Okay, let's say in this box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So these are 10 plus 2 is total of 12. Okay, now let's try to count this one. Again, inside is 10 plus 2 is 12. So what that means, they are equal, right? So we have 12 and we have 12. Then this time you have to fill in this space like this. Okay? Then you have to write everything here. All right? So let's say 12 and 12. Then you have to write down here 12 is equal to 12, or 12 equals to 12, like that. Okay? And then 12 is like that. It is 12 is equals to 12. So we don't need to write if it is smaller or what, because they are equal. Okay? Like say 12 is equals to 12, or 12 is equals to 12. Okay, so try to count this one and then fill in the blank like this. Okay, but you have to count the number of pencil first and then write your answers here. That is on page 127. Okay, next we have number 2. Fill the sign greater than or less than or equal in the box between each pair. So this one you have to write or choose the sign here. If the numbers are greater than or less than or equal. Let's say 17 blank 15. What's your answer? Greater than, less than, or equal? That is 17 is less than 15, right? 17 is less than 15. So please again choose the best answer. So if you think teacher is wrong, then you can change it. Okay? So that is just an example. Okay, so next number 2. 13 and 16. 13 is equals to 16. 13 is greater than 16, or 13 is less than 16. So that is 13 is less than 16. Okay? So please try to answer this 3 until 6. Next, write the sign, the same sign, greater than, less than, and equal in the box between each pairs of numbers. Okay, let's say for example, number 1, 12. Then you have to write down the symbol inside the box. Do you think that 12 plus 10 plus 10 plus 4 are equal, less than, or greater than? Okay, let's find out. 10 plus 4 equals 14. That means 12 is less than to 14. Number 2, example, 11 and 10 plus 1. So if 10 plus 1 is 11, that means they are equal. Okay, because 11 and 11. So they are equal. So I know you can do it, students. Please try to answer 3 until 10 on page 128 on your workbook. Arranging numbers 11 to 20. Arrange the numbers 13, 17, and 14 in order. Compare each pair of numbers 13 and 17. Okay, look at this picture. Please count it very carefully. Therefore, 13 is smaller than 17. Or you can say 17 is greater than 13. Okay, 17 and 14. Okay, so next we have, therefore 17 is greater than 14, or 14 is smaller than 17, and 13 and 14. So please count this sticks here and then see how they works. Okay, how do you gonna describe them in a sentence? Okay, next, next one, this one. Therefore is smaller than 14 or 14 is greater than 13. From the comparison above, we can conclude that 13 is smaller than 14 and 14 is smaller than 17, or 17 is greater than 14 and 14 is greater than 13. 13, 17, and 14 can be arranged into 13, 14, 17. That is ascending order. 13, 17, 14 can be also arranged into descending order. How? That is from biggest to lower, lowest number. Okay, 17, 14, and 13. Okay, so please count, then count, student. Again, this is how you're gonna count it. Okay, so we have above, we have 13, and the other one are 17. Okay, so that is how you can to count it. Next is, let's have another one. We have 12, 14, 12, 11, 12, 13, 14 to 15. Number 11 is the smallest of the numbers above. Okay, number 11. The number on the right is greater than the number on the left. The numbers are ascending order. So that means these numbers are ascending order. And below are the descending order because 20 is the greatest of all. Okay, 20 is the greatest of all. The number on the right is smaller than the number on the left. Okay, that is ascending order and descending order. Now, in this last activity, you have to add the correct numeral into sequence. Add the correct numeral into sequence. Okay, so let's say number 1, 15, 16, and what? Next is, that is 17. How about number 2, 10, blank, blank? 12. What is the middle number here? Very good. It's 11. Okay, so try number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 on page number 130. So that's it, students. So enjoy and please answer your activity. Thank you so much for listening. My name is Teacher V and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.